Today we launched services out into St. Thomas, both Morant Bay and Yellas. They took the trip out to Morant Bay on the bus and got back. Passenger take-up has been very good, very encouraging. The ride is very quick, I would think, 1 hour coming back, less than an hour going out there. And already passengers are commenting about the high quality of the service, the affordability. In fact, I heard one passenger remarking that she's going to save $500 per day as of today.
Yes, you see a lot of persons when driving on the road, you can see a lot of persons not really know about it as yet. They're looking, they want stuff for ask the question, we can't stop for each bus stop to answer every question. But good Lord.
I'm coming straight out of Morant Bay. It was very fine and comfortable. I tell you, I'm so happy for it. We needed this for a long time.
It was great. It was great. I sat comfortable come to Kingston. I love the progress.
Ride was very comfortable. You don't have to five up and jam up amongst one another and all them things, you know? And the driver is very cooperative, right? The people have to go through so much stumbling to come down and go home in the evening. You understand me? And if the bus run on time, as it does this morning, we'll be okay.
So we want to, make sure that high quality, safe, reliable, affordable service is delivered to the citizens of St. Thomas. And I think we have made a good start of it today.